Morning everyone, he's the boss. It's been a good trip, thank you mate.
Yeah, good trip. Thanks for all the photos, Brett, and the photography. Look forward to seeing it when we get back. Alright Paul, stay with us today now.
How long is it going to take us to get home now?
4.5 hours.
Not bad, let's go. Right, we've had a little tea and coffee stop here in Telford. The ride's going well, weather's beautiful. Everyone's doing alright.
We lost, mate.
I think we know where we're going. Got a beautiful day. best, that's for sure. Great people, great bikes, great food, great beer, nothing not to like. Anyway, if you've watched these videos, thanks a lot, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.
There ain't no sign of you coming home, 'cause you'll never find what you're looking for. I've been making up lies to buy you more time, in case you decide you belong by my side. Soon as the spring comes, this home it ain't enough. That road out my window hangs fixed within your eyes. So I hold every moment like a hazy goodbye. All right. Pay no regard, leave no regret. Your unguarded heart can always forget. Your rambling soul won't find no peace. Build on a home on love like a thief. Yeah. Soon as the spring comes, this home it ain't enough. That road out my window hangs fixed within your eyes. So I hold every moment like a hazy. And all of those midnight street riders with horses on fire are coming out to take you away. Singing songs from broken hearts, pulling on those broken parts, and I watch them carry you away, carry you away. As soon as the spring comes, this home it ain't enough.